this is Miss Ruth. This is a lesson on a cutting skill. This is the spiral snake, and I'm going to make this by looking through my snake dictionary. You have a resource page at home, and if you have books of snakes, that can be really fun too. So my snake dictionary has A to Z, just a ton of snakes. And I think the one that interests me, so snakes are reptiles. They have scales all over their skin. They do have bones. They have a spine. Their backbone is pretty much the whole length of their body. And they have rib cages off of that running along the whole length. So if you ever look at the skeleton of a snake, it's really, really interesting. So snakes are able to move even though they have no arms or legs. So they move their body using muscles. And their scales help them slide across the surface of the earth. So I looked through at A, and the one that really interested me in terms of the pattern was this Arizona coral snake. This has red, black, and yellow bands from the head to tail. So I'm going to start and I'll show you how we do this. My Post-its. Okay. There it is again. The head is black. Put this where you can see. And then I see a yellow band. Okay. And then red. Oh. Move that. And then red. And the red is longer than the yellow band. Or wider. So the yellow is narrow and the red is wide. And then yellow again. And now yellow, red, yellow, black. And the black is again wider than the yellow. And I keep repeating this pattern. Now I could have done any. This one is easy because it's bands, but look at the anaconda, has spots. And others have really interesting patterns. So whichever one you choose is up to you. You might want to do one that's all green, like the boomslang, which means tree snake. Or you might want to try to really test yourself doing the ball python, or just black and white with the bandy. So I'm going to finish coloring this and then I'll show you how we cut. Okay, I finished my pattern. Now I have my scissors. I'm going to cut out my spiral snake. So right here between the head and the body is where we go in. going to use this hand. So this hand stays in one place, and then my hand that's not cutting is turning the paper. I probably should have cut the outside off first. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay. And along this outside. You might want to do this step first before you do the spiral. Okay, almost there. And I'll clean up, and then I can enjoy my spiral snake. Ready? Wow. Ta-da! Very cool. So you have enough to make 3 of these. If you want to make more, you can just draw it on paper and cut it out. See what kind of cool snakes that you can find. Bye.